What's up everybody, in today's video we are going to learn how to make this design using clip mask and other technique to make this design. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into it. Okay, we've created a new portrait histogram size which is 1080 by 1350. So we're just going to bring in our text and type the word clipping mask. Okay, for the font that I'm using the compactor BT. Okay, and click OK. Yeah, let's go back to our move tool and scale it to the size that we want. Okay, now that we have the right size, we're going to come to the layer structure here, right click and say convert to shape. Okay, this is going to convert it to shape. Now we're going to click on the path tool, which is by clicking A on your keyboard, or you just come somewhere here. Okay, we have it here, the direct selection tool rather. So we're going to zoom in and we're going to select this whole part. This is going to select all the anchor points here, and we're just going to drag this down. While dragging down, you can see it moving sideways, so hold down the shift key to make sure that everything is moving down straight. Okay, and we're going to select that of the P and drag it to the same length. Okay, always hold down the shift key to keep everything straight. And for okay, it's supposed to be clip mask. I don't know why I did clipping mask. That's design error, but let's just go with it. Okay, and for the M, I don't know if I did the M, let me check. Okay, for the M, we're going to select all of them and we're going to drag down. Okay, then for the K, we're just going to take this arrow. Let me select these two parts here of arrow. Let me zoom in so I can really select what I want to select. And we're going to select, hold on the shift key while dragging. And for these ones, we're going to select all of it and just use your movement tool, your arrow key on your keyboard. Hold on the shift key to make sure it moves faster. Okay, since I actually wanted to do only clip mask and I'm typing clipping mask, so I can actually just delete this point, say clip mask, select all this and hit delete on your keyboard, and it's going to delete everything. So let's select all of this and use the keyboard, hold on your shift and your movement, your arrow key, and it's going to move everything. I think this is what I wanted, is clip mask and not clipping mask. Okay, so we're going to select everything together and just make sure we move them. Okay, and I think we're cool here. Okay, and I think I also did one of the K here and I moved it upward. Hold on the shift key and it aligns with that. Okay, so once you're done, you can now go back to your move tool and you have everything set. So we're going to bring in our model. I think I have it here. Okay, and we're going to drag it into our design and we're going to make it as large as we want it, and we click OK, and we're going to make a clipping mask. Okay, we're going to hold the Alt key and come in between here and just click, and it's going to clip it. Okay, so let's try to position this where we want it. Take it to somewhere here like this. Okay, so we're going to make a duplicate by hitting Ctrl J on our keyboard. Now we have it here. So we're going to go to the selection tool and come here and say select subject. Okay, this is just going to roughly select the image, and we're going to hit on we're going to create a layer mask on it, and here we have it. Okay, so we're going to right click on layer. Let's right click on layer and say rasterize layer. I'm going to come to the layer mask, right click on it and say apply layer mask. Okay, so now that we have it like this, we're going to come back here and create another layer mask. Okay, so we're going to hit B on our keyboard to bring our brush tool, and we're just going to brush out this part. Okay, we don't want all this part, we don't want it, we just want the hand poking out. So we're just going to wipe all this. Let's make our brush bigger and just wipe and clean it up. Okay, so for the hand, we're going to zoom in and let's reduce the size of our brush. I think this is already okay. I don't know, I just let's just clean up this part. Okay, Okay, I think we need this part. So let's click on X on our keyboard to invert our selection. I don't know, this thing just worked perfectly without me even trying hard. Okay, our image is actually a low res image. So we have the hand poking out. Okay, for the background, let me check. I don't know what I did again. I think it was gray. Let me steal this color. Okay, I already have it there. So we're gonna come here and click create a new solid, and let's click on this color here. You can use any color of your choice. Click OK and put it behind everything else. And for the text that we had that was at the bottom, that was very easy to do. You just come here and click on your text to click here once. Okay, let's Ctrl Z. Okay, that's not what I did. Let's just click on this cancel icon and let's draw the text box. Okay, let's have it this way, and automatically we're going to have some text filling it in. So we're going to go to type and we're going to say paste Loren Impsium. So the text is actually white. We want it to be black, so let's select all and click on black color, and let's just click off, and that's it. We're done. So it may not actually look exactly like the first one, but it's basically the same concept. The only thing I'm noticing is I need to make this one bigger. So let's lock this layer, this text, lock it so that we can actually select everything else. Okay, and just make it bigger. I think this is pretty okay. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. I believe you've learned one or two things, and if you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 69 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.